In this video, you will learn how to graph a cubic function. My name is Kanti Severson. I'm the inventor of the Severson method, a scientifically proven way to learn anything fast, especially how do you graph a cubic function? So a cubic function looks nothing like a boomerang, because if you watch the other two videos, we talked about how a logarithm function as well as an exponential function, those look like a boomerang. A cubic function does not look like a boomerang. A cubic function looks like this. It looks like a worm. If you're familiar with the concept of a parabola, I want you to imagine that this used to be a parabola, and then one side just flipped and started to point downwards. Another way for me to remember cubic function, I like to think about how I'm standing and one of my hands, my right hand, is pointing up and my left hand is pointing down. So like this is going to be a positive cubic function. If I wanted to do a negative cubic function, my left hand is going to be pointing to the positive, and my right hand is going to be pointing to the negative. So this is my negative cubic function. So think about this graph, but reversed. So my right hand is always going to be pointing to the direction. If my right hand is in a positive, then it's a positive cubic function. If my right hand is in a negative, then it's a negative cubic function. So let me demonstrate real fast. So let's say we have y, or f of x, is equal to x cubed. Then we're going to draw a coordinate plane. This is your y, this is your x. And then this is a positive one. So my right hand is pointing upwards and my left hand is pointing downwards, like this. Now let's imagine that I now have another function, y is equal to negative x cubed, and that one is going to look like that. Now, there are a couple of other things we need to account for when we're thinking about cubic functions. What about shifts? What about y is equal to x cubed plus 1? What this means is that everything is going to be moved up by 1 on the y-axis. So instead of crossing here at a 0, I am going to be crossing here. And if I wanted to do a negative 1, y is equal to negative x cubed plus 1, then it's going to look like this. I'm really hoping that this helped you guys to learn how to graph cubic functions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.